Okay, back again. Now let's take a look, and I'm just going to hold down Shift and I'm a two-finger click, and I'm just going to pan my camera a little bit here. You can see there's an arrow, sort of a bendy arrow with two ends in it on the top here. I'm going to click that once, and that is going to be my rotation. And you can see it gives you your angle of your rotation. If I go inside, you can see how it changes to that light blue line on the outside, which is a smooth rotation, or on the inside, which is a snap rotation, so it's snapping. Okay, um, so that is your rotation. There are three of these arrows. You can see there's one here, there's one on the bottom here, and that will allow you to rotate your shape that direction. And there will be one more. You can't see it, it's just over this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to two-finger click. I'm going to rotate a little bit that way, and now suddenly that arrow is a lot more apparent. There's one here, one there, and you can see this rotation allows for a different direction. So your shapes will always have these three arrows, which will allow for those three different types of rotation, which is very important when you are manipulating your shapes around. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go back to this sort of view here, and I'm just going to slide out a little bit by sliding two fingers back, and I'm just going to take my O, and I'm going to make my O, let's see, what is the height of this right here? I'm just going to two-finger click to slide down. I'm going to click on the little white arrow on the top, so that's 13.17 millimeters in height. This one I'm just going to grab the little white square, and I'm just going to bring mine up. Let's go, I don't know, 12, 11. So let's go 11, so that's a little lower. This one, let's go, I don't know, 8. And I'm just going to hold down Shift and two-finger click and slide. And this one here, I'm just going to go, oh, I don't know, around 6, 5, yeah. So I've got my name, and I'm just two-finger clicking and rotating around here, sort of at different steps. Now, what we want to do is we want to put our name on something. So probably the best thing to do is, first of all, we want to pull another shape in here and start to talk about how to group our name and place it inside or onto a shape. So that's what we'll work on next.